Do you want to change the country settings on your YouTube app? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily switch countries on the YouTube mobile app. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile app and make sure you are signed in. After that, tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then select Settings. Once you are on the settings page, tap where it says General. And then scroll down a little bit. So now you'll see an option called Location. Just tap on that. And then go ahead and scroll through this list and tap on any country you like. So, for example, I am going to select the United States. After you've done that, just go back. And it will save your preferences automatically. This is exactly how you can change the country settings on your YouTube app. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.